The legacy of the Tesla Model S. How an outsider rewrote the automotive playbook, the Tesla Model S was not merely a new car, it was a paradigm shift. Over its 15-year life cycle, it transformed from a skeptical outsider into a global benchmark, proving that electric vehicles, EVs, could be more than just environmentally conscious niche products. They could be desirable, high-performance machines that outpaced traditional luxury brands. From skepticism to industry standard in its early days, Tesla was viewed more as a tech company than a legitimate automaker. The company's first foray, the Roadster, felt more like a repurposed sports car with a battery pack than a ground-up automotive design. There were even whispers that Tesla's non-automotive staff were surprised to learn that car components, like door seals, couldn't be sourced from a hardware store. However, the Model S changed the narrative. It didn't just compete, it dominated. At one point, its sales volume surpassed the entire Jaguar brand. The Model S introduced design elements that the rest of the industry eventually mimicked, such as massive touchscreen interfaces and digital displays, minimalist interiors that prioritized software over traditional buttons, retracting door handles that, while polarizing, set a new aesthetic trend. Even traditional giants like GM found the Model S disruptive. Early testing revealed that the car frequently ignored established engineering and design guidelines, effectively breaking the rules of how a car was supposed to be built. The performance revolution. Instant power while early models struggled with fit and finish, often failing to meet the tactile luxury standards of its price point. The Model S compensated with sheer, unadulterated physics. The defining characteristic of the Model S was its instantaneous torque. Unlike internal combustion engines, which suffer from turbo lag, downshift delays, or altitude-related power loss, the Tesla provided immediate acceleration. This all at once. Power delivery redefined the performance sedan, moving from 0-60 mph times of 4.6 seconds in 2013 to the blistering speeds of the modern Plaid variants. Engineering challenges. Weight and energy. The transition to electric power brought unique physical challenges, most notably mass. The battery packs are immense. In early models, the lithium-ion cells alone added roughly 1,300 pounds to a vehicle that already weighed nearly 5,000 pounds. This weight made the cars feel secure and planted, but it also placed immense strain on the tires during spirited driving. To manage this weight and energy, Tesla popularized several key technologies. Regenerative braking, using the motor to slow the car and feed energy back into the battery. One-pedal driving, a driving mode that allows for significant deceleration without using the friction brakes, a concept that remains a point of debate among enthusiasts today. Evolution and the current market landscape. The Model S never underwent a traditional replacement, but it evolved continuously. Over a decade and a half, Tesla incrementally improved range, charging speeds, all-wheel drive capabilities, and horsepower. It also introduced the controversial full self-driving FSD suite system that, while impressive in its ability to navigate door-to-door, remains a point of contention due to its reliance on camera-based sensors rather than radar or LiDAR. Today, the Model S finds itself in a complex position. While the technology remains world-class, the brand faces headwinds, plummeting resale values. As buyer interest in the brand fluctuates, used prices have dropped significantly. A 5-year-old Model S Plaid can now be found for under $40,000, a massive depreciation from its original premium price. Brand perception. The polarizing nature of Elon Musk has created a social divide regarding car ownership. Despite the shifting political and social landscape surrounding the brand, the Model S remains a technical marvel that fundamentally altered the trajectory of the global automotive industry. Conclusion. The Tesla Model S was the vehicle that proved electric propulsion was the future of high-performance motoring. While its brand identity faces modern turbulence, its engineering legacy remains etched into every digital dashboard and electric powertrain currently entering the market.